Hi guys, here we are back again at Ashwell Gatehouse level crossing in Rutland with AB trains. The crossing was already down right before I got here. The time is 14:34, Monday the 20th of January 2025, and we await your 14:36 1 Lima 42 cross-country service from Birmingham Newsham to Cambridge. I wonder if that bell over there finally works. Oh. The flashing lights aren't there anymore. They were last time. I don't recall cameras being here. There's a bell over here. Of course, last time I came here, I was on the other side, and that bell wasn't working. It was only this one that was working. And the next train is 14:56, and it's running. So that's in the next 20 minutes. And the next one, the next running freight is Peterborough West Yard to Montsorrel sidings. And that's running because it left Peterborough 27 minutes early. Although I'll have to keep an eye on that one. Because anything could happen knowing freights. Here we go. I'm going to go this side. We've got 170, 398. 170, 398 to Cambridge and it does go up on its own, because this is not a request crossing, because all the buttons here, look, emergency plunger, only push them in an emergency. It can't be staying, surely, because the next one's not for another 20 minutes. Unless he's sorting out all the signals and then raising up Ashwell. Why are we staying down for? The next train's not for another 20 minutes, so why are we still down? Oh, don't tell me this is a request crossing. Meaning the whole time I've been here last time, it was a request crossing. Oh, for goodness sake. So basically I've got to find a button and push it, and then the barriers will go up. Let's see if I can find one. Is that here? Asking plunger? That's an emergency one, so basically if I push that, the barriers will go up. I don't know, because I don't want to set anything off. Hang on, there's a sign up here. To cross with vehicles, press plunger below, which is this, then cross quickly. Warning, barriers lower when the bells ring, do not cross. Okay. Well, I guess we could just give it a go then. So press plunger below, which is this. I've hoped I've pressed it hard enough. Now I've just got to wait. There we go, up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.